Today, we do some minor electrical work at the house edition. Welcome back to the house edition. This morning, I was waiting for the electrical inspector so we could get a rough-in inspection, and we passed. He said we just had to do one minor change to one of the outlets. We'll just send him a photo and he said it would be fine. I'm waiting for the mechanical contractor to come. We had some changes after I spoke to the inspector. So, while I'm waiting, I'm just going to go ahead and start into the framing and try to get the rest of that knocked out. So there's a slight change of plans. First, I think I'm going to get into the electrical modifications. Okay, so I'm just going to walk you through a couple of the changes I need to make to the electrical. This is one. This box is just a little too small for all four of these wires. So we're going to swap it out with a box that's just a little bit bigger. So this box right here just needs to be changed to be 2 switches. That way it can have a 3-way for this hallway. So all that's really involved is running a wire over to the other switch. Pretty simple. So this switch right here just needs the same thing. It just needs to be a separate switch in it. So I'll just take this box out and swap it for a 2-gang. And then just like the other one, it just needs a 3-wire run over to the other switch where the fan control is. Okay, so I got the wires installed. This is a 3-wire that goes over to that switch down there that'll control the hallway light. And then this 3-wire will go over and control the fan, and I'll be able to have a 3-way switch over there. Now I'm going to run to the store to get this 22 cubic inch receptacle box, and then I can put these wires back in and it'll be complete. So I spoke too soon. I need to get some more 3-wire because I just ran out to run from this smoke detector in the hallway here, and I'm going to run that down into the utility room in the basement. And in the future, we'll run a wire over for a smoke detector in the 4th bedroom. Wow, how did he do that the first time? Damn. I'm just going to turn the power off just to be safe. I feel better with that. There we go. Cool. Back in business. So at this point, I feel comfortable with the electric and feel like we're ready to go. I've got the 3-way switch installed for the fan light, and I've got the 3-way switch installed for the hallway light. And the only other thing I needed to do was for the inspector, which was add this larger box. It's just a little bit bigger, and I just need to send a photo of that to him by email, and he said he would be satisfied. He doesn't need to come back. So at this point, I think I'm going to call it an early day because I still need to go to another job site and install some carpet just to finish out a job. It was a really minor job, but I'll wrap it up tonight, and that'll be the end of it. So tomorrow, in the next clip, I will actually get into the framing and try to wrap all that existing framing up, like the header up here and the ribbing. And so I still have a couple things to do, but I should be able to get it all resolved tomorrow, and I won't be interfered by any of this other extraneous work. So I hope you'll tune in the next clip where we finally get to the framing. I'll see you then.